Hey tech lovers, welcome to ZUERST! Our real strength lies in customized solutions, facing the unique needs of each customer. ZUERST can provide personalized product design and functional implementation. We listen to you, we understand your needs. Whether it is improving work efficiency or optimizing spatial layout, we make it possible with our expertise and innovation. Our products make work more comfortable and life more convenient. But the real magic comes when we offer 100% custom service. Every custom product is the result of our close cooperation with our customers. Innovation is our self-drive. Every month, our team launches 2 to 3 new products. Constantly explore the boundaries of technology to meet the dual needs of the market for function and beauty. ZUERST has a modern factory of 2,000 square meters and a team of 30 professional employees. And obtained patent protection. Our quality has been internationally certified. When you choose ZUERST, you choose innovation, quality and trust. ZUERST Manufacturing. Customize your success story. Because we believe that every customer deserves a tailored solution. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more innovative news.